Good morning, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for a weather update. And here we are, right here. We have the low pressure system over eastern Tennessee. Look at this freezing rain boundary down the Roanoke. We're getting this freezing rain, and it's been getting close to a quarter inch here. And more ice up through Allentown, parts of areas such as Springfield, Missouri. These areas are right now in the ice accretion area where you're going to see some ice, but warm air is going to take over for the majority of the area. And we're going to have heavy rain. This is going to cause some flooding, actually, in the Roanoke area, down the parts of North Carolina, parts of Virginia, even up to parts of Pennsylvania, maybe some of that. You have some snow on the back of this. This is pretty interesting to see. We have a low trying to catch up to it, so there's a few things that might get interesting towards the end of the storm system, especially up north. This low then moves north and northeast, and heavy banding of snow goes through Syracuse, back down through the Harrisburg area. Rainfall, heavy rainfall, in eastern parts of the state of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, and up through the area such as Massachusetts. As this moves to the north and east, you can see heavy rainfall continues over the Massachusetts area. Then we have this second low pressure may put some light snowfall, 30 to an inch type of snowfall down in the Roanoke region, back through parts of eastern Kentucky. As this thing moves off the coast, we then get pretty quiet, actually. As this high pressure sinks in, we get a moderation going on, and we get warm air influx through the weekend. And you can see snow up in northern parts of New York, but rain in the southern parts of New York where we had a lot of snow. This gets interesting. We get another front, it drops through, pretty dry in the southeast. Before we go to the next storm, we try to get cold air again. It's kind of a, what they call that, zonal flow coming from west to east here now. Rain chances here that increase by the time 22nd get around, and the cold air is trying to drop in, but this looks like a rain event to start off with, and then the cold air drops in, and we get a nor'easter type the 24th. The question is how much cold air drops in, how much moisture remains behind, because this area right here could get some, anywhere from Roanoke back up to Philly, could get some snow on the 24th, and it would move up and away, and we could continue to see cold air stick in the area for the time being before another warm-up occurs, and we get showers come through. So it'll be up and down going through the beginning of March. By March 3rd, we actually have a troughing situation and another low pressure in the Midwest and South, so we may have another situation beginning of March. So we'll keep an eye on it, and send it back to you. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great evening. Talk to you later.